Congratulations on completing this comprehensive course on organizational design. You've journeyed through the foundations, explored various structures, and studied how successful companies align their design with strategy. From understanding hierarchical models to experimenting with agile frameworks, you've gained a toolkit of knowledge that can transform how organizations operate. Throughout the course, you've learned how to choose the right structure based on business goals, culture, and growth stage. You've also examined key models like the McKinsey 7S, the congruence model, and explored how digital transformation and AI are reshaping organizational boundaries. But learning doesn't end here. Now is the time to take what you've learned and apply it. Whether you're redesigning your current company, helping a client restructure, or launching your own organization, the principles you've mastered will help you lead with clarity and impact. As your next steps, consider completing the Capstone project if you haven't already. It's a powerful way to demonstrate your understanding and build a portfolio-worthy piece. You might also dive deeper into specific topics like change management, leadership development, or digital innovation, all of which influence and are influenced by organizational design. We encourage you to stay curious, stay strategic, and continue evolving your approach as the business landscape changes. Organizational design is never a one-and-done task. It's a living, breathing discipline that thrives with regular reflection and adjustment. Thank you for joining this course. We hope you leave with a sharper strategic lens, the confidence to lead transformation, and the tools to build organizations that are resilient, responsive, and ready for the future.